Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of the satisfies operator introduced in TypeScript 4.9? The correct answer is option B. To validate that an expression matches a type without changing the resulting type of that expression. Which utility type is used to construct a type by picking all properties from type and then removing a set of keys? The correct answer is option C, omit type keys. In its config.json file, what does the strict property initialization flag enforce? The correct answer is option B. Class properties must be initialized in the constructor or via a property initializer. Which keyword is used in a conditional type to declare a type variable that is being inferred? The correct answer is option B, infer. What is the result of using the non-nullable T utility type on string number null undefined? The correct answer is option B, string number. How do you define a template literal type that starts with ID dash followed by any string? The correct answer is option C, type ID equals ID $string. Which of the following is true about abstract classes in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C. They serve as base classes and cannot be instantiated directly. What does the extract TU utility type do? The correct answer is option A. Constructs a type by extracting from T all union members that are assignable to you. Which TypeScript 5.0 feature allows for more accurate type inference when passing object literals to a generic function? The correct answer is option B, const type parameters. In the context of mapped types, what does the read-only modifier do? The correct answer is option B. It removes the read-only constraint from properties. What is the return type of the parameters T utility type? The correct answer is option C, a tuple type consisting of all parameter types of function T. Which compiler option in config.json prevents the generation of output files if any errors were reported? The correct answer is option A, no omit on error. What is the correct syntax for a type predicate function that checks if a variable is a fish? The correct answer is option A, function is fish, pet. Any pet is fish. Which utility type obtains the return type of a constructor function type? The correct answer is option C, instance type T. What happens when you use the override keyword on a method in a subclass? The correct answer is option B. It ensures the method exists in the base class, otherwise, it throws a compiler error. In TypeScript, what is the awaited T utility type used for? The correct answer is option B. To model operations like await in async functions, recursively unwrapping promises. Which flag in config.json allows importing .json files as modules? The correct answer is option B, resolve JSON module. How do you declare a property as truly private runtime private in a TypeScript class using ECMAScript syntax? The correct answer is option C, #myprop, string. What is the purpose of the declare keyword in TypeScript? The correct answer is option B. To tell the compiler that a variable or module exists elsewhere, ambient declarations. Which utility type is used to construct a type with a set of properties K of type T? The correct answer is option B, record KT. What does the no implicit any flag do when set to true? The correct answer is option B. It raises an error on expressions and declarations with an implied any type. What is the effect of using read-only on a tuple type like number string? The correct answer is option C. The tuple becomes immutable. Elements cannot be reassigned. Which of the following describes global augmentation in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A, adding properties to the global scope from within a module. What is the difference between exclude TU and omit TK? The correct answer is option B, exclude works on union types, omit works on object properties. What is the purpose of skiplibcheck in config.json? The correct answer is option B, to skip type checking of declaration files, .d.ts. What is a mapped type in TypeScript? The correct answer is option B, a generic type which uses a syntax to iterate over keys to create a new type. In TypeScript decorators, what are the parameters passed to a method decorator? The correct answer is option B, target, property key, descriptor. Which keyword allows a child class to call the constructor of its parent class? The correct answer is option C, super. What is the result of type T equals key off any? The correct answer is option A, string number symbol. What does the target option in config.json specify? The correct answer is option B, the ECMA script version to which the TypeScript code is compiled. Thank you for watching.